Good job. Okay, let's try it again. Isaac. Good job. Good job, Alyssa.
Okay,
This is Alyssa's first day learning the hula hoop. And I think I got her way too big of a hula hoop, but she's still doing it.
yes, I am.
Good job.
That's it. What's next? Swim? Okay.
Good job.
Don't do it yet.
Oh,
Okay?
try it. You can try it. Good job. Good job. Good counting.
Okay, Alyssa, here we're practicing. What's this one? Okay, what's this one? Okay, what's this one? Good. Rick, you on? Good. Very nice.
Go
Good
lower than
job.
C.
You want to try this one?
Not that.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Good. How about up here? Close. Just
Yeah, F
that's
natural.
There
Good
you
job.
go. That's a high one. How about
Yes,
good
E
job.
flat.
Okay, we'll do an easy one to end it. Good job.
Good job, Alyssa.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be performing The Piano Man by Billy Joel. I've been working on it for a couple months, so I'm excited to share it with you. Here we go.
Nice job.
Thanks, I really like this song.